Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact node you will control. Use document. Query selector or get element by ID and assign it to a variable. Once selected, immediately check for null so your code doesn't crash in older browsers or odd DOM states. Make sure to run this after the element is parsed. Place scripts at the end of body or wrap in DOM content loaded. Doing this first prevents wasted work later and ensures subsequent DOM methods operate on an actual element, not an undefined reference. Next, read the node's state using text content, inner HTML, or get attribute to decide what to change. Once you know the current values, modify properties directly, update class list, set attribute, or change styles, because direct DOM mutations are immediate and predictable. Then, bind behavior with add event listener. Prefer named functions so you can remove listeners later. Make sure to batch visual changes when possible to avoid layout thrash. Collect updates and apply them together to keep the UI responsive. Finish by applying final updates and optimizing for performance. Use request animation frame for visual updates and debounce input handlers to reduce work. If you have many similar nodes, delegate events to a common parent rather than adding tens of listeners. This lowers memory and simplifies removal. Once done, test interactions and inspect the console. If something breaks, confirm your selector returned a node. Check for typos in property names, and watch for cross-origin or timing issues. Fixing those usually resolves the majority of DOM problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.